vegetarian is easy and delicious. If you love preserved radish, you'll definitely enjoy today's recipe. Crispy, savory, and packed with umami, it's a must-try dish for any preserved radish fan. Give it a go and let the flavors wow you.
Preserved radish is savory, crispy, and full of flavor. The more you chew, the more you crave it. Whether stir-fried, paired with congee, or served as a side, preserved radish adds the perfect finishing touch to any dish. Ingredients: eggplant, preserved radish, dried chili. Wash and cut dried chilies into sections and set aside. Stir-fried preserved radish with eggplant and dried chili is savory with a spicy kick, perfect with rice, appetizing and satisfying. Just rinse the preserved radish lightly. It keeps its savory taste and saves you time. A quick wash removes excess salt, making it fresher and ready to cook. Cutting eggplants before steaming helps them cook faster and more evenly. Soak sliced eggplants in lightly salted water or vinegar water immediately to prevent oxidation and keep them fresh and white. Brush eggplant with white vinegar before steaming. It balances pH and prevents browning for a bright white finish. For pre-steamed stir-fried eggplant, 5 to 6 minutes after water boils is ideal. Tender yet firm, perfect for absorbing flavors. Stop when a chopstick pierces it easily. Overcooking makes it mushy for stir-frying. Cut eggplant into sections. Oops, I forgot to brush my eggplant with white vinegar, so the skin turned color, but no big deal for home cooking. Remember to use vinegar next time, folks.
Let's start cooking.
Stir-fry dried chilies first to release their aromatic heat, adding depth to the dish's flavor profile. Blooming chilies in hot oil enhances their fragrance while preventing bitterness from overcooking later. Stir-fry preserved radish first to intensify its umami and keep it crispy, not soggy. After stir-frying dried chilies and preserved radish, add oyster sauce and sugar to enhance umami, savory sweet with a spicy kick. Sugar balances saltiness, while oyster sauce adds a glossy glaze, perfect for pairing with rice. Toss in eggplant and stir-fry together. Add water just halfway up the eggplant, about 1/2 cup. Steam braise to absorb flavors without turning mushy. Cover and simmer on medium-low heat for 5 minutes. Let eggplant soak up the sauce and radish's savoriness. And cover to reduce sauce for 1 minute. Thicken glaze clings to each bite. Dish is done. Flake this savory chili radish eggplant with pride and dig in. Stir-frying pre-steamed eggplant gives it a crispy outside and tender inside, plus it absorbs less oil. Steaming first helps the eggplant soak up flavors evenly for a perfectly sauced dish. The toasty spice of dried chilies pairs perfectly with the savory crunch of preserved radish, a bold flavor combo that begs for rice. Pre-steamed eggplant soaks up the sauce while staying tender, not greasy. Every bite bursts with umami. Fermented radish's natural umami enhances taste without MSG, a healthier flavor boost. Dried chilies kickstart metabolism, while eggplant's fiber aids digestion, light yet satisfying. With minimal oil, this dish stays low-calorie but nutrient-packed, ideal for health-conscious eaters. Eggplant is packed with anthocyanins and fiber, boosting antioxidant power and digestion, all while being low in calories. Its skin contains salicylate, a natural compound, which may support immunity, though those with sensitive stomachs should enjoy it in moderation. With high potassium and low sodium, it helps regulate blood pressure. Steaming or roasting maximizes its benefits. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism, such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism, may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.